This one does to an extent. Like, they're not visible, but you can hear it popping. I've seen like one and it was like, I guess it got lucky and made a big enough one to be visible, but
Nice.
I know it's happening. So I can hear it pop every now and then when I'm accelerating. One day I did spin a big one out somehow. I guess because I floored it really, I like literally like stomped the accelerator down. This guy was riding my ass and he was pissing me off. I'm like, you know what, fuck you.
Jesus.
Dude, I was in a bad mood that day. It was not good.
Phone will not focus. There we go.
Channel's been pretty good, huh?
Kind of. I just uploaded a video today. I'm gonna try and post some more stuff later on.
Dude, I love this thing.
Hell yeah.
Genesis definitely has more pull.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. Beautiful.
I love this fucking
Absolutely beautiful.
I'm gonna wake my good old friend up too, just for the fuck of it, because I'm an asshole. Bitches.
I gotta say, this is really nice.
Yeah, I've been keeping it clean versus my other cars in the past.
Well, this one deserves to be clean.
Yeah, dude, I only let like good friends in it. Everyone else, no.
Damn.
Like that guy earlier today, he kept just bugging me, and I was like, nah. And he's like, can you take me to Allentown, bro?
No.
I'm like, hell the fuck no.
Gas money?
He said gas money, but I was like, you know what? You probably, no offense, buddy, but you probably can't afford what this fucking thing is on gas.
Probably.
And I think he's probably gonna give me like $10. And somebody came up to me and they're like, don't take him for a ride. They're like, I don't trust him, just don't. And I was like, I wasn't going to. They're like, he tries to get in everyone's car as a sporty car or anything that's nice. I was like, yeah, I'm not letting him in.
I'll keep that in mind. Mind if I whip it around a little bit?
That's sure.
Word. I'll show you how to hit the camera then.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I took my boss for a ride one time.
Go for it. Jesus.
Oh, that was fun. Yeah, dude, I love this thing.
Dude, I would too.
You're gonna have a lot of fun with it, man. If you actually trade it, you'll love it.
Oh yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet.
I mean, same. Like the insurance, like yeah, it's iffy, and it might be higher for me, and you're older than me, and it might be rough. I just need to get a fucking factory job that pays at least $400 a week. So at least I know in 1 week I
Well,
covered it.
dude, I make about. Hang on, I'm gonna turn the camera off for this. I don't want everybody to know how much I make. I get to drive this beast. Now, just have to put that there. That's why I'm putting it on the.
You're so happy to drive it, aren't you?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
This is your first time driving a rotary car.
This is my first time. Yeah.
Okay.
I have not driven a rotary car ever. Oh, I have to. Oh. Would you perchance have cup? You do have cup holders. Okay. I'm going to put this.
Oh, forgot about this. I was looking for this bitch.
What's that? Oh, the manual.
Yeah.
You kind of need that.
I was looking for it, dude. I didn't know what the hell I did with it.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna have to adjust the seat.
You know what? I trust you won't kill me.
Oh, thank you, sir. I'll try not to kill you. I'm still too far. Damn short problems. Yeah. There's my wallet. Alright. My old wallet is going there. Keys are gonna go here. There. Okay.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is the only person I trust on my RX8.
Well, thank you, sir.
Nobody else.
Oh, yeah. Alright. Now, if you wouldn't mind holding out camera and recording me enjoy your car.
Yeah, I got you.
Any tips and pointers?
Not really. Just, you know, typical manual. I mean, as far as tips and pointers, later on, once you...
Just have fun?
Yeah, basically.
Damn, your clutch is weird.
Yeah. That's one thing I noticed versus most manual cars.
It's a lot different from the Dart. Now, as far as like going into reverse, do I push it down and then
Yep.
all the way over like
Yep.
that? Oh boy. Oh, this is gonna be interesting.
There's a lot of cars over here.
Are you sure I'm in reverse?
Should be. See? Maybe not.
Nope.
If you hear like a grinding noise, that's when I typically know I've messed up.
Ah, there we go. Okay, that's kind of hard to do.
Yeah, it
Oh,
gets
look, an Infiniti G35.
Those are the cars we can make in the Devader, right?
Fuck yeah.
I definitely kind of want to do that. I don't know why.
Thank you, sir. Now, how do you turn your lights on?
Yeah, just
there you
flip
go.
those. And then it turns red.
Oh my god.
I was trying to teach my friend how to drive stick the other day, and yeah, I thought I heard my transmission screaming. I told him I was cringing the whole time. I was like, okay, we're done here.
Oh, I stalled.
Oh,
Your clutch is weird.
yeah. You gotta get used to that bite point. It's a bit different than most.
It is. It really is. Not like the Dart at all.
Yeah.
Wow. I don't know. I don't know if I really like this. Downshift is smooth.
Yeah, versus most.
Yeah, versus the Dart, it's smooth as shit.
We gotta get a reaction video of me and the Genesis driving it.
Hell yeah.
Because you got paddle shifters, right?
Yep.
Oh, that's sexy as hell. I love that. Always wanted to drive a car with one of those.
Oh yeah, paddle shifters are fantastic.
Yeah, I think, you ever watch like Vehicle Virgins?
Yep.
Parker Neurestein, and he always said that paddle shifters are a lot better in like races and stuff because you don't have to worry about grinding and shit. What the hell is he doing?
I don't know.
This is our Pennsylvania traffic for you, ladies and gentlemen.
Fuck Pennsylvania traffic. And for the record, fuck Pennsylvania. it's different. I'm surprised for you, like, learning how to drive manual in this. That's different.
Yeah.
That's really different. Even for, like, I've been driving manual for about 5 years, and, like, this is weird.
Yeah. I haven't even driven it, I don't even think, a year yet. I'll button up there a bit.
Oh yeah.
Because they're all over the place. They've been. The one day I was going really fast. I think I was going like over 100, and they flicked their lights on and just flicked it back off. They're like, we give up.
Motherfuckers.
There, you heard the flame there pop.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
I don't know if I remember correctly. Your Genesis made this like guzzling, like this, like
Yeah,
noise. I loved it.
Noise. It backfired a lot.
I loved it too. I was like, oh. Frickin' Matt, he goes, oh, every time it happens, I just want to come down your throat. I looked at him a little concerned when he said that to you. I was like, you good, bro?
Fucking kid.
We all love Matt, though.
Oh yeah, Matt's fantastic. He has his own YouTube channel.
Yeah, I was watching some of his videos. I love his morning motivation ones.
Oh, this thing is sexy. I love this.
If you love it now, just wait till I put the summer setup back in.
Hell yeah. It pulls to the right a little bit.
Yeah.
Alignment.
Yeah, I didn't like when I saw that, in general, speaking of steering and shit, I didn't like when I found a bottle of power steering fluid in the trunk. I was like, oh, did Anthony tell me there's a problem here?
Possibly.
Shouldn't be having to get that. I don't know, he kind of kept a lot of things hidden from me on this car, and I just learned over time and found out.
Of course he did.
I wasn't too happy with his ass.
This thing really does pull to the right a lot. When you get on it, it like pulls. You gotta pay attention to it. It's fucking ridiculous. It's touchy too, the steering.
Yeah, very. Also, with the wheels in the back aren't helping because they're a bit different. The winter tires in the back, regular summers in the front. And I kind of noticed that when I drove it, when I had all the summers on it, it was all right. But over time, oh shit, that looks like a predicament over there.
I was gonna say.
That looks like a little predicament.
3-car predicament.
Yeah, but I mean, when I had all summer tires, it was smooth. It didn't really like go side to side. I kind of feel it like try to force me over sometimes.
Yeah.
And I kind of fight back with it.
I was gonna say, I'm fighting with it right now.
Yeah.
One of you two needs to fucking go.
Dude, for real.
I have a feeling it might be you that's gonna go. We're gonna do this.
Yeah, dude, I was driving like a cunt monkey earlier, getting mad.
Cunt monkey?
Yeah.
Nice choice of words.
That's what I used to call my one friend Cameron. But yeah, because I was literally I was on my way. I do that past everyone when I'm pissed off. Yeah, that's basically what I did earlier. These people in Allentown were pissing me off, and I'm like, you know what, fuck it.
Fuck yeah.
I'm most definitely going to take it easy with the Genesis.
Yeah, I would.
Because I can't afford another ticket.
No.
I don't need that insurance skyrocketing. I mean, State Farm, that's who you have, right?
No, I have Allstate. Or no, not Allstate, Nationwide.
Oh, that's who I have.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. The one in Temple?
No, I just have Nationwide Sales Solutions.
Oh, okay, I go to an agent in Temple, and I don't know, she's been pretty chill with me. Even when I got 5 points on my license, she didn't jack my rates up.
When was your clutch last done?
I couldn't tell you. That's when Anthony.
You might need your clutch done.
That's what I was thinking. That's what I felt. Because I felt it felt funny. It felt like it was loose or some shit.
This car has auto rev match. I like that.
Yeah.
I really like that a lot. But yeah,
Yeah, they got the clutch, taken care of it. I mean,
yeah, I was gonna say this clutch feels real weird.
I don't know. It kind of squeaks. Like if you notice when you let it out, when you let it back in, it like squeaks.
Yeah, it's different. I'll give you that.
It's a bitch when it's cold out, dude. When I don't start the car for a whole day and I start it, the clutch like gets stuck in shit and then it pops back up. I mean, it's nothing too bad. Like if the clutch gets stuck all the way down, it's fucked.
Yeah.
I mean, like it doesn't do that. It pops back up, but it's like delayed.
A little. I was gonna say your bite point is all the way at the floor.
Yeah.
I don't know. Have you checked the fluid at all? Like
I'll check it then. Yeah.
that's real. Let me see the camera real quick.